Welcome back to the Nash Potatoes Outdoor Show. Today I'm flying my drone over South Zapata Lake Trail in southern Colorado. The total distance of this trail is 9.3 miles. The elevation gain is 3,182 feet, and the estimated time to complete is 6 hours. The AllTrails description of this trail reads as follows. Discover this 9.3 mile out and back trail near Mosca, Colorado. Generally considered a challenging route, it takes an average of 6 hours, 1 minute to complete. This is a popular trail for backpacking, birding, and camping, but you can still enjoy some solitude during quieter times of the day. The trail is open year-round and is beautiful to visit anytime. Dogs are welcome but must be on a leash. The offline map is recommended to get oriented, as several users have reported that this trail is not well marked. A hidden waterfall, several old miners' cabins, and a high alpine lake are the rewards of this hike. The Zapata Falls are only 0.5 miles from the trailhead. The cabins are less than a mile beyond Zapata Falls. Continue 4 miles or so and you will come to a beautiful alpine lake above the tree line. Anyway, in this first video, you'll actually get a glimpse of Great Sand Dunes National Park. Then, the second drone video, which is a few miles deeper into the mountains, begins at about the 3-minute and 35-second mark. Finally, at the end of the video, I'll show you where this trail is located on a map and give you some details about it. In the meantime, here's a bit of music for your enjoyment. All right, so here is a map of Colorado, and what you're looking at is the Google Maps route from Denver down to the Zapata Falls trailhead in southern Colorado, the San Luis Valley. And as you can see, the distance is right around 4 hours. Now let me show you a little bit about the trail. So we are in the Sangre de Cristo Mountains. And as you can see, in the upper left-hand corner of your screen is the trailhead, and it goes down and finishes at South Zapata Lake. The red arrow is where I hiked to, and as you can see in the lower right-hand corner, I hiked a total of 8 miles, whereas the total distance of the trail, you can see on the top there, is 9.3 miles. This is actually the second time I've tried to complete this trail, and I'm really hoping that the third time is the charm. But that's all I've got for you today. Thanks for watching the Nash Potatoes Outdoor Show. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. We will see you next time.